Solution or root of the equation. The value which when substituted for a variable in the given equation makes LHS is equal to RHS is called the solution or root of the given equation. For example, 2x minus 3 equal to 7 is an equation. Here LHS part is 2x minus 3, RHS part is 7. Substitute the value of x as 5 in this equation. 2 into 5 minus 3 is equal to 7. 2 into 5 is 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. So LHS become 10 minus 3. That is LHS becomes 7. It's equal to RHS is 7. If we substitute the value of x as 5, then RHS and LHS become equal. Then we can say that x equal to 5 is the solution or root of this equation. There are two methods for finding the solution or root of linear equation in one variable. First method, balancing method. Second method, transposing method. Balancing an equation is like weighing balance. On adding weight to only one side of a weighing balance, it gets disturbed. By adding equal weight on other side, balance is achieved. X plus 3 equal to 5 is a linear equation in one variable. Here the variable is x. Others are constant. Balancing method involves performing the same operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication or division on both sides of the equation to isolate the variable and find its value. The given equation is a balanced equation. Here both LHS and RHS are equal. Here we subtracted minus 3 on LHS part. If an operation is performed on only one side of the equation, then the equation is disturbed. Here LHS not equal to RHS. Whatever operation is performed on one side of an equation, the same operation should be performed on other side too. Here we subtracted minus 3 on both LHS and RHS part, then the equation become balanced. Plus 3 minus 3 becomes 0. The remaining is x, which is equal to 5 minus 3 is 2. So x equal to 2 is the solution of the given equation. Our given equation was x plus 3 is equal to 5. If we substitute the value of x as 2, 2 plus 3 which is equal to 5. Here LHS become 5 and RHS is 5. X equal to 2 is the solution of the given equation. Once again I will explain this method. The given equation was x plus 3 is equal to 5. We have to keep only the variable term on one side of the equation. The variable term is x. And we have to keep this x in one side of the equation. And we have to eliminate the constant term. Here the constant term is plus 3. To eliminate this constant term, we have to perform the opposite operation with the same constant. What is the opposite of addition? That is subtraction. So, x plus 3 minus 3 is equal to 5 minus 3. The equation is balanced only when the same operation should be performed on other side too. Here, plus 3 minus 3 become 0. So, on LHS part, the remaining is the variable x, which is equal to 5 minus 3 is 2. So x equal to 2 is the solution or root of the given equation. 2x plus 3 is equal to 5 is a linear equation in one variable. We have to find the solution of this equation by using balancing method. For this we have to keep the variable term in one side of the equation. Here the variable is x and we have to eliminate this plus 3. To eliminate this constant, we have to do the opposite operation. Here the operation was addition. The opposite of addition is subtraction. So 2x plus 3 minus 3, which is equal to whatever operation is performed on one side of an equation, the same operation should be performed on other side too. So equal to 5 minus 3. Then plus 3 minus 3 become 0. The remaining is 2x. 2x equal to 5 minus 3 is 2. Then here we have to keep the variable term in one side of the equation and eliminate the constant term. Here the constant term is 2. We have to eliminate this 2. Here 2 is multiplied with the x, we have to do the opposite operation to eliminate this 2. So opposite of multiplication is division. Divide 2 on both sides. 2x by 2 which is equal to 2 by 2. So LHS become x which is equal to RHS is 1. So x equal to 1 is the solution of the given equation. We can check 2x plus 3 is equal to 5 was our given equation. Substitute the value of x as 1. 2 into 1 plus 3 is equal to 5. 2 into 1 is 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So LHS is equal to RHS. So x equal to 1 is the solution of the given equation. Next method, transposing method. This is the shorthand for balancing method. Transposing means moving a term from one side of the equation to other. In transposing method, we will isolate the variable by moving the terms from one side of the equation to other side. For example, 2x plus 3 is equal to 5 is a linear equation in one variable. Here the variable is x. We have to isolate the variable x in one side of the equation. So take the term plus 3 to other side of the equation. So plus 3 become minus 3. 2x is equal to 5 minus 3. That is 2x is equal to 2. Here 2 is multiplied with the x. We have to take this 2 to other side. So multiplication become division. So x is equal to 2 divided by 2, that is x is equal to 1. So the solution or root of this given equation is x is equal to 1.